Welcome to the Threshold. CES 2025 is in full swing, and this year, the tech playground is buzzing with AI-powered toys and futuristic gadgets that promise to make life smarter, quirkier, and downright exciting. Before we dive into the incredible lineup of innovations, don't forget to subscribe to The Threshold, hit that notification bell, and like this video to stay updated on the coolest tech trends shaping our future. The toy box of the future AI gadgets stealing the show. Let's take a look at the wild, wonderful, and occasionally wacky creations unveiled at CES 2025 Withings Omnia, the magic mirror that knows too much. This smart mirror doesn't just reflect, it scans your health. From body composition to telehealth applications, the Omnia turns your bathroom into a sci-fi wellness center. Who needs a fairy tale when your mirror gives you a health report? Ozlo Sleepbuds, snore be gone. Tired of your partner's symphony of snores? These AI-powered earbuds block noise and create the ultimate sound bubble for a peaceful night. They're like noise-canceling headphones, but for your dreams. Sylvox Outdoor TV, entertainment, rain or shine, rain, snow, sun, no problem. This waterproof TV lets you binge-watch your favorites while battling the elements. Who needs a couch when you have a patio? LeafyPod AI planters, because plants deserve robots too. Forget watering schedules and sunlight guesswork. These AI-powered planters monitor and adjust conditions for your plants. It's gardening for people who kill cacti. Adam, the robot bartender. Shake it, don't stir it. Rich Tech Robotics bartender. Adam serves cocktails with robotic flair. Whether you're a mojito fan or a margarita lover, Adam's got you covered. No tipping required. Tombot robot dogs. Canine companionship 2.0. These lifelike robotic dogs are designed for emotional support, especially for individuals with dementia. No barking, no mess, and they're always happy to see you. Rover Who, Roborock Saros Z70, the vacuum with a twist. Equipped with a foldable arm, this robotic vacuum cleans spots you didn't even know existed. It's like a cleaning ninja that takes no days off. Xpeng Aeroat flying car. Back to the future, literally. This modular flying car concept brings us one step closer to living in a sci-fi movie. Whether it's traffic or a bad GPS day, the sky's the limit. And that's just the start. From Australian innovations like Seeing Machines' AI-driven driver monitoring systems to portable monitors by Espresso displays for business travelers, CES 2025 is overflowing with ideas that blur the line between useful and fantastical. Join the fun. Which of these AI toys excites you the most? Are you ready for a robot bartender, or would you prefer a vacuum ninja? Share your favorites in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Threshold, and join us as we continue exploring the tech trends shaping tomorrow. Let's play with the future together.